Welcome back. So we've got our unit test where we're adding apples, bananas and cantaloupes. It's a theory, and what we find is that when we have 3 apples and we add 7 apples into the cart, then we'll end up with 10 apples. Funnily enough, this unit test is oddly specific around these quantities, 3, 7 and 10, and I feel a little bit funny about that. I would like to generalize around these quantities a bit more. I would like to make it so that this theory also works with other sets of quantities. So to this end, I would like to introduce sort of like a quantity 1 and a quantity 2. And let's say with the apples, we'll kind of make that the 3 and the 7. Cool. And with banana, maybe we'll make that 1 and 12. And with cantaloupes, let's go crazy. We'll go 41 and 97. And of course, we need the respective parameters. So we've got int, so I'll call this quantity 1, and int quantity 2. Let me bring those around. That line's getting a little bit too long. Alright, excellent. Let's use those. So here, when we're adding into the cart for the product, we're adding quantity 1 and then subsequently quantity 2. And then thereafter we're using the sum. So why don't I create a variable bar sum quantities is equal to quantity 1 plus quantity 2. Nice. And then sum quantities, we can kind of say 10 times, so sum quantities times product unit price. Yes, that will be the total. And over here we've got the sum quantities. Alright, let's see whether this works. And I'm going to run all the unit tests. I mean, it should work. The implementation code should cater for this. Excellent. And all our 24 unit tests are coming up as green, which is fantastic. So this nicely shows that never mind what the product is and what the quantities are, we find that the quantities are being merged up inside our shopping cart add method. Cool. All right, time to move on.